To connect your POCO X8 Pro with a car, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into more connectivity options, and then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Click on Android Auto, which should transfer you to Google Play Store, where you will need to update an app if you do it for the first time. When the app is updated, you can go back into the more connectivity options and click on Android Auto again. This time it will open the app itself. So here you have option to connect it with your vehicle, and if you enter that option, then there's two additional options for connecting. First one is through the cable. If you have a cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car, you can try to do it. Just connect it and see if from here the setup will progress up. If it doesn't progress or you don't see any new button popping out, then you might need to go for connect using wireless Android Auto and enter pairing mode on your car, usually through the Bluetooth settings. You can find the tutorial for your car how to enter pairing mode online. Probably just Google it, and when it's in the pairing mode, select connect using Bluetooth per vehicle and look for your vehicle name in this available devices list. Select it when it's ready, and that way you'll be able to connect with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.